Hello. Welcome to another day of class. Today, in our language class, we're going to continue learning about quotation, the topic that we started to see yesterday. So, today is Tuesday, August 4th, 2020, and yesterday we started to learn about quotation and the types of quotation that exist. So, you already know that there exists direct quotation and indirect quotation. So, what we are going to do today is that we are going to practice with the exercises of exercise 10A and also in exercise 10B. So, we are going to move us into exercise 10A of your book, page 73. So please go to page 73 of your book. Page 73. Exercise 10A says, place a check mark by each sentence that contains a direct quotation. So what we are going to do is that we are going to place a check mark in the correct line. For example, sentence number 1 says, and the angel said unto them, fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy. Period. So, we have here the word and the angel said. And we have quotation marks. Fear not, at the beginning of the word fear, we have quotation marks here. And also at the end of the word joy, we have quotation marks. So, the number 1, exercise number 1, is a direct quotation. It's an example of direct quotation because we have the quotation marks here and the words are exactly as they are, as the person said it. Exercise or sentence number 2. The Bible says that Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea or Judea. So, do you think this one is an example of direct quotation? Yes or no? No, it is not. It's not an example of direct quotation because we don't have here quotation marks like here, and that is telling that the Bible says, but another person is telling what the Bible says. So it's an indirect quotation. Number 3, Simeon said, look, Simeon said, for mine eyes have seen thy salvation. So we have here quotation marks, and we have the word Simon said, or Simeon said. So it's an example of the quotation. Very good. Now, Rebecca asked if you were in the Christmas program. So Rebecca asked, but another person is telling what Rebecca says. So it is not an example of direct quotation. What about number 5? Chris once says that he is the God shepherd. So Christ once said that he is the God shepherd. Do you think it is a direct quotation or indirect quotation? We don't have here quotation marks, and another person is telling what Christ says. So it is another indirect quotation. The last one. Mother asked me, did you invite Heidi to the Christmas program? Do you think it's direct quotation or not? Yes, it is, because here we have mother asked me, and here inside quotation marks there are the word that the mother exactly says. Now, go to exercise 10B from the same page, from page 73. Exercise 10B. What we're going to do here is that we're going to underline inside the paragraph 4 different direct quotations. So please check that you have in your book the same quotations underlined, that the same that I have here. That was everything for today, class. I hope you understand this topic and you're working in your exercises. Keep safe at home. I love you and see you on the next class. Bye.